Yo, what's going on, guys? It's the Battery Leader 7 here, and yeah, the way you can tell, it's raining. It's raining like fuck around here. I'll show you how it's raining. Okay, that was weird. But yeah, it's as raining as fuck as yeah. Yeah, I'm just at school, so I'll just make my homework in 5 minutes and then I'll make another YouTube. Another video! Okay, so for now, peace.